Hello my dear children, welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. In this video, we are continuing our discussion of chapter number 3, Shapes and Patterns. First, let us understand the meaning of patterns. A pattern is an arrangement of objects, lines, shapes, colors, letters or numbers which are repeated in a regular way. You will understand the meaning of this definition once we take an example. So, example, look here. Here we see the arrangement of a triangle and rectangles which are repeated in a regular way. That means a rectangle is coming after every triangle. Look here, a triangle, a rectangle, a triangle and then a rectangle. A triangle comes and then the rectangle comes. And after that a triangle is there, and if you continue there will be a rectangle next, and so on. So such an arrangement of objects, lines, shapes, colors, letters or numbers which are repeating in a regular way is called a pattern. Let us take one more example. So here we see the numbers 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 are repeating. Look here. So such an arrangement of numbers, letters, shapes, pictures in a regular way, repetition of objects in regular way is called as a pattern. Try this number 2. Draw and color the next 3 patterns. In the first question, pattern of 2 shapes are given, circle and triangle. A circle and a triangle. A circle and a triangle together makes one pattern. So 2 patterns are given here, and we have to draw and color the next 3 patterns. That is circle and a triangle. One pattern, again circle and triangle is second pattern, another circle and triangle makes third pattern. So like this we have to draw and color the next 3 patterns. Similarly here a circle and a cross symbol, or which looks like plus symbol, these 2 together makes one pattern, and again another circle and cross makes another pattern. So we have to continue and draw 3 more patterns and color like this, 1, 2, 3. So children, similarly you have to draw the patterns neatly and color them. Now let us see the meaning of odd one out. A shape, letter, number or object different from the rest in a group is called the odd one out. So if you have a group of objects, numbers or letters which are same, but there will be one object, letter or number which will be different than others in the group. Let us see some examples to understand the meaning of odd one out. So here we have a group of circles, and also we see a triangle in this group which is odd one, which is not same as the other shapes here. So therefore we consider this triangle in the group of circle as odd one out. And in the other example, we see here the group of numbers, that is 1, 2, 3. These three numbers are repeating here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And in between these numbers, we see a set of alphabets A, B, C, so which is odd one out in this group. So such objects, letters or numbers which are not same as the rest in the group are called as odd one out. Now let us answer the questions in exercise 3E. Question number 1. Complete the patterns given below. One has been done for you. The first one is an example which is shown how we should proceed here. Here we see a pattern of square and circle. Square, circle, square, circle. In the next three blanks, square, circle and square are drawn and shown for us. And in question B, we see here two triangles and a circle. Then again we have two triangles and circle. So in this pattern, a circle is coming after every two triangles. So we have to complete this pattern by observing the figures given here. So two triangles and circle, two triangles and circle. Here we have to draw two triangles and a circle like this. Coming to C, we have A, B in uppercase or capital letters, A, B small letters, A, B capital letters, A, B small letters, A, B capital letters, A, B small letters, A, B capital letters. Next, what comes here is A, B small letters, and then A, B capital letters, A, B small letters like this. Coming to D, here we have 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Here we get 1, 0, 1. Coming to question number 2, cross the odd one out. So here we have to find the odd one and we have to cross. A, the letters A, B, C are given here, A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. That means in this pattern, the letters A, B, C are repeating in a regular way, and the letters D, E, F which are coming in between are not same as the rest of the letters here. Therefore, D, E, F is considered as odd one out, and we will put cross mark over it. B, the letters, alphabets are given in boxes, capital letters. A, B, C, here we have 9, E, F, G. So the number 9 which is coming between these alphabets is odd one, and we will cross out this. In C, we see the numbers 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So in the pattern of the numbers 1, 1, the numbers 2, 2 which is coming between these numbers 1, 1 is odd one. We have to cross out this, which is not same as the rest of the numbers. Coming to D, we see the circles, colored circles in the rectangles. So we can notice the colors of these circles, and also we find that this is not same as the other circles. The color is different from rest of the circles. So we will put a cross mark over it. Coming to E, we notice here a circle is drawn inside a rectangle in these also, but in the second figure here we find that a rectangle is drawn inside a circle which is odd one. So we will cross out this to indicate it is odd one out. Coming to F, we notice the sizes of these figures. The size of this figure is larger than the other four. Therefore, we will put a cross mark over it to indicate it is odd one out. Question number 3. Tick the shape that comes next. So in the given pattern, we have to notice the given pattern and we have to make a tick mark for the shape or picture which comes next in the given pattern. Look here, here we have a plus like shape, a cross shape, and this shape is called as a parallelogram. So plus a parallelogram, plus shape, parallelogram, plus parallelogram. The next figure that comes is of plus shape, because these two are repeating regularly. The next figure is a plus shape symbol or a cross symbol. We have to tick this circle here like this. In B, we have arrow marks towards right and left. Here we have the arrow towards right and an arrow towards left. Arrow towards right, and an arrow towards left. Next should be an arrow towards right. So we have to put a tick mark here. Here we have the pictures of stars, 3 different colors of stars repeating here. So these 3 stars together makes one pattern, next 3 stars makes another pattern. So the next star that comes is of this color. Therefore, we have to put a tick mark here. D. Here we have a rectangle and a triangle. Rectangle, triangle. Rectangle, next comes is a triangle. Therefore, we have to put a tick mark here. So like this, we have to find the next shape that comes in the given pattern, and the corresponding circle should be marked with a tick mark. Coming to question number 4, observe the pattern and fill in the boxes. So some blank boxes are given. We have to fill these boxes after observing the given pattern. Here we see some lines, a vertical line, horizontal line, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, here horizontal line comes and then vertical line. Or we call these lines as a standing line and sleeping line also. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, next line that comes is sleeping line, and then there will be a standing line like this. So coming to the question B, just notice the colors of these triangles, and similarly we have to complete these boxes by drawing and coloring the triangles as given here in this pattern. Coming to C, the numbers 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3 are repeating. So in these boxes we have to write the numbers 2 and 3. Coming to D, the letters M, N, O are repeating. M, N, O, M, N, O. Here M is given, we have to write N and O here. N, O here. So like this, we have to complete the given pattern. Let us see the summary of this chapter. Triangle, square, rectangle, circle and oval are flat shapes. We have discussed all these in the chapter shapes and patterns, and please recall the things we have learned in this chapter. Second point is cube, cuboid, sphere, cone and cylinder are solid shapes. Please understand and learn the differences between flat shapes and solid shapes. Solid shapes with curved surfaces roll. The examples are sphere, cylinder. Solid shapes with flat surfaces slide. Examples cube, cuboid. Solid shapes with both curved and flat surfaces roll as well as slide. The examples are cone, cylinder, etc. Patterns can be formed using colors, shapes, numbers or letters. We learned more about these in today's session. So this is about the summary of the chapter shapes and patterns. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned new things. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye children.